Hello guys, welcome to Generation Revo. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up or create a Revolut account. Now, Revolut is one of the biggest financial apps right now. It's a technology that allows you to connect to your banks and do some awesome stuff. So first of all, of course, we need to download Revolut from Google Play Store. How can you have Revolut without downloading it, right? But now I currently have it already, and all I need to do is just update it. Make sure that the app is up to date because it wouldn't be working properly. So it's currently downloading pretty slow. So let's just gonna skip this, right? All right. I don't want to take too much of your time. So here I am currently on my Revolut app. It's finally opened, and first of all, it's gonna introduce you to what Revolut is, helps you mount. But if you're watching this video, you probably know what Revolut is by now, and what we have to do right now is just click on the sign up button over here, because that is what the video is about. And now it will ask you to search for the country that you are in currently, obviously. So I'm gonna choose Philippines because I live in the Philippines. And it's gonna be asking me to write down a password that is currently not showing on my screen for privacy reasons, of course, but on your side it will be visible to you, because how can you put a password without knowing what you are looking at, right? So just skip it through, because these are just privacy things. And now I'm almost ready to join the app. So now I'm gonna be leaving my email. I'm just gonna write down the email that I need to put down. I'm really sorry if it's not showing for you, because it's really Revolut is doing this on its own. It's just making sure it's private. So you just need to check out on your email. And as you can see, I am currently in the waitlist. Why this is happening is because there are a lot of other people signing up for Revolut as well. Usually you just need to wait it out, and once you get the email, everything should be good to go and you'll be able to use Revolut properly. And that is how you set up an account for Revolut. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Revo. See you in the next one. Bye bye.